What's up, everyone? Tonight we are breaking mixer break number 43. This is going to be one box of 2024 Immaculate Hobby. And then for 2025, we have 2 Origins Hobby, 2 Luminance Hobby, and 1 Donruss Elite Hobby. For the teams here, we got Cardinals for Anthony, Jay with the Falcons, Paul on the Ravens, Kyle with the Bills, Panthers for Adam, Bears for Paul, Kevin with the Bengals, Andy with the Browns, Cowboys for Jay, Broncos for Henry, Lions for Nicholas, Mark with the Packers, Nicholas with the Texans, Riley with the Colts, Shaker and Jason splitting the Jags, Jack with the Chiefs, Jason on the Raiders, Chargers for Adam, Rams for Kyle, Dolphins for Colby, Vikings for Jay, Kellen with the Patriots, Brian on the Saints, Giants for Shaker, Colby with the Jets, we got Paul with the Eagles, Steelers for Simon, Niners for Mike, Shaker with the Seahawks, Bucks for Steve, Adams on the Titans, I'm going to update that, and then Commanders for Shaker. Just so I have the team name on here too, Adam on the Titans there. Cool. There we go. Good luck, everyone. We're going to start with Elites, do Luminance, Origins, and save that Immaculate for last. Box. All right. Good luck, everyone. Got a Jalen Milroe off the bat out of 799 on the King of Cards insert, I believe. Who's got Seahawks? That's gonna be going to Shaker on that one for the rookie on deck insert. We have a out of 799 of Jamar Chase on the Spellbound. That one's going to be going to Bengals. That'll be Kevin.
I wonder if I can get Reggie Bush.
Reggie Bush?
I don't think he's on the checklist. Is he kind of like shadow banned?
Okay, we got our first auto here from the Patriots. This is going to be going to Kellen. Got a Braden Swinson auto out of 499 for the Patriots. Here we go, Kellen. We have an orange here of Bowers to 199 for the Raiders. Raiders going to Jason. We have a relic here. Joe Burrow out of 79 on the influential jerseys. Going to the Bengals. It's going to be going to Kevin. We have a Caleb Johnson at 999 for the Steelers. Going to Simon. Not bad. We have a TJ Watt to 799, the Elite. Going to Simon again. Yes,
Simon? Our Simon?
He snoozed on Steelers. He took him from me.
Snagged him.
Okay.
Got Curtis Rourke at a 199 for the Niners. Going to Mike.
That's all it took.
We have a out of 799 of Travis Hunter. There we go for the Jags. Going to Shaker and Jason. Nice hit there.
Wait, Shaker and Shaker?
Yeah, they split Jags.
Let's go, Shaker.
We have a Jerome Ford to 799 for the Browns. Going to Andy. We have a rookie elitist of Luther Burden out of 199 for the Bears. That's going to go to Paul. Nice hit there. a to 799 tidal waves of Peyton Manning for the Broncos. That'll be Henry. We have a Nick Scorton out of 999 for the Panthers. Going to Adam. Here's our other auto here. For the Eagles, we got Kyle McCord out of 499. It's going to be going to Paul.
This was on my desk.
Under, the guy that opened it is just under the mat, so I don't know if it was left for you or.
For the Cardinals, we got Marv to 35. That's solid. Nice. Going to Anthony. 31 to 35.
Sick. Marv.
We have a Calvin Ridley base, no numbers in that pack. We have a out of 799 of Brock Bowers, the Elite for the Raiders. That one's going to Jason. 3 packs left on this box.
So cute.
Yo, like Snowball?
I think it's adorable.
You can have him.
For the Browns, Quinshawn Judkins to 49. That's a solid one too.
Nice.
For the Browns, going to Andy. 17 to 49.
Let's go, Andy.
Rookie Trey Amos, 999 for the Commanders, going to Shaker. And last pack of this one. We got a, ooh, is that a Pen Pals in the back? Do we get an extra auto?
Let's go. Let's go.
It is, okay. Pen Pals. Got Savion Williams for the Packers. Going to Mark on the on-card auto.
Sick. Let's go.
Alright, on to Luminance now. There's Lamar, Leonard Williams, Marv, Tyreek. Take the base cards off the back here. Wells, Norman Lott. Okay, we got Tyreek. Numbered for the Commanders out of 299. We got Brooks going to Shaker. We have an insert vestige of Bo Jackson for the Raiders. That was going to be going to Jason.
Card.
Yeah. And then first hit, Beacons. This will just be a relic here of Josh Jacobs for the Packers, going to Mark. The next 3 packs all should be autos then. We got Harvey, Gildens, Noel, Diggs, Namath, Clark. We have an animation here. These are case hits. I'm going to save that one for now.
Let's go on.
Got a Jonathan Taylor to 299 for the Colts, going to Riley. There's a Tyler Warren on the inserts. We have our auto for the Bears here out of 300. Montez Sweat going to the Bears. I'll be going to Paul.
Come on now.
Okay, and our animation we got here of Mar. Nice. Going to Anthony.
Nice.
I think Cardinals were one of the cheapest teams out there too, and then he hit a case hit. That's solid. Nice hit there. Kid Reporter. Let's get past the base here. First card's gonna be out of 100 of Kayvon Thibodeau going to the Giants. It's gonna go to Shaker. We have a Niners out of 35. Collins gonna be going to Mike. There's a unforgettable of Nick Bonito on the inserts. And then for the Bengals should be our auto here to 50. Chase Brown. It's a solid one. 49 of 50.
Sick.
We going to Kevin. Milrow base rookie. Dylan Gabriel. First hit's going to be for the Commanders out of 150 of Amos. Going to Shaker. We have a Quinn Ewers on the Dynamic. And then we have a year 1. This is the pro uniform, the on-card autos. For the Seahawks, Milrow on the red
Wow.
ink. That's
Let's
sick.
go.
Going to Shaker. That's a nice
Let's
hit.
go.
The red inks are short printed too.
That's sick.
Nice hit there.
Beautiful.
Put that up on the wall too. Sure, yeah. Nice. This is a solid box of Luminance.
Oh. Oh, we do.
Okay, for our numbered here, this might be our patch actually. We have a Leggett on the Spirit swatches going to the Panthers.
He's hitting his dance.
We'll be going to Adam. We have another Alfred Collins to 249 for the Niners. Say Tyler Warren dynamic, and then we have a year 1 in here. This is a 2-hit pack.
Let's go.
We got here Phil Maffa for the Cowboys going to Jay. So I guess not all year 1 are on card anymore. Got for the Patriots out of 100, Kyle Williams. It's going to Kellen. We have a unforgettable Nick Bonito. Oh, there's our auto. It's going to be a Felton out of 700 going to the Vikings. It's going to be going to Jay on the Ty Felton. And this should just be another numbered card then. Out of 299 of Hudson for the Panthers, Kobe Hudson. Going to Adam. Another Quinn Ewers dynamic. Another base there. We have out of 299 of Jordan McLaughlin, or Jaleel McLaughlin for the Broncos, going to Henry. This should be an auto here. Got Sawyer, Jack Sawyer out of 700, going to the Steelers. That'll be going to Simon. Not bad. And last pack of Luminance. Got a Vestige of CD. Out of 50 of Wells for the Giants. That'll be going to Shaker. And then a Beacons Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts. That one's going to Riley. All right, so on to Origins now.
This is what we're doing.
Take the numbered off the back here. Started off here, we got a Caleb Johnson to 225 for the Steelers going to Simon. We have a Jerry Jeudy to 99 for the Browns, going to Andy. And then a base rookie of Matthew Golden for the
We
Packers.
still got the iMac. That's the most.
I listen to you. That's what matters.
That's the most important iMac.
Listen to you.
Yes,
That's
sir.
right. Troy.
Got a
Troy
Puka.
Dual auto.
Let's go.
And this should be our memorabilia here. For the Chiefs, it's going to be going to Jack. A Jalen Royals. Oh, on the patch auto there for the Chiefs. There you go, Jack. So this should be our relic here on the bottom then. Gonna be for the Vikings. Vikings going to Jay. Gonna be a Ty Felton on the relic to 75. Nice patch on that one. And then our other auto is gonna be for the Chargers here. Chargers going to Adams, one of the last couple teams here. Hampton, there we go. That's solid.
Nice.
On the on-card auto. Sit there, Adam. Okay, and box number 2 of Origins.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a booklet in here.
Ooh.
Okay.
Oh, sick.
Let's go.
All right, we got an Alec Pierce to 225 to start it off. It's gonna be for the Colts, going to Riley. We have a Jaden Higgins to 225 for the Texans, going to Nicholas, solid. And a Riley Leonard base.
That's the boy this year.
Gonna save the booklet for now. We'll go with our relic on the bottom here. Rookie patches for the Seahawks. Let's see another Milrow going to Shaker. There we go. Milrow to 99.
Let's go.
Sick.
Nice hit. That means that the booklet should be an auto too, which is nice. Auto for the Colts here. We got a Riley Leonard on the base auto. Going to Riley with the Colts. Not bad. All right, and the booklet. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
There it is.
I see the name here. I think we might have got him. Oh, Milrow on the booklet out of 49. Oh, that is sick.
Let's go.
There we go. Going to Shaker at the Seahawks. That's a nice hit. Dang, this is a Milrow break.
Yes.
We'll have to see if we have a case that we can display
Shaker
that in. If
and-
not, we'll just put it in that thicker top loader.
It's for Shaker and
That one was just Shaker for Seahawks.
Shaker. Just want to make sure.
Can you check and see if we have a vertical booklet, one touch, or top loader or something? Yeah, if not, we'll just have to put it in one of those. Alright, well, we're finding out on to Immaculate. Alright. No, I need the other size, the taller one.
Do you have like snap? Not snap. Ink set? You know what I'm talking about? 2-piece case.
Take final? Nice.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Try to do this my best without revealing that top card, or I'm going to show the top one at least, but I'll try and show that back card. We got Parsons to 99. It's going to be the first card of Immaculate. That one's going to Jay with the Cowboys. Alright, Mike Parsons is the first one. The next card behind it is going to be for the Niners. Got a Debo on the patch to 65. 10 to 65. Going to Mike with the Niners.
Oh, nice. With the sleeves for it too.
Sweet. Okay, we were able to find the case for that shaker.
Nice.
Look at that. That looks nice in there. Sweet. Okay, on to the next card. We got here. Ooh, that looks like Jags. T-Law out of 88 on the patch. It's going to, that's Shaker and Jason splitting that spot. 35 of 88. Next up for the Bills, we got a Josh Allen on the jumbo patch out of 49. Going to Kyle, Bills. Nice hit there. Oh, I like the color of the foil on this one.
Sick. What's great? Is that,
Ooh, Jason Witten. Oh, on the 101. Okay.
Let's go.
Going to the Cowboys. That'll be Jay. That's a sick card
Dang, that's
on the
sick.
patch
That
auto.
is
That's why I said I like that foil color. I didn't think it was going to be 101. I thought it was like out of 25 or something.
Oh, that's fire.
Nice hit there, Jay.
Let's go.
With the inscription on it. Solid hit.
Good stuff, Jay.
What do you think you want? What, 1-3?
75 or 100?
Okay, on to the next card. Looks like Vikings here. We got Jordan Addison. This is like a throwback card then. This is 2023. I guess they must have inserted that into this year's product, but still not bad on the RPA to 99.
RPA and second.
That's going to be going to Jay also. Jay's hitting here in Immaculate.
Let's go.
So I said 130. You're talking 75.
All right, last card
You don't know ball.
we got here for the Bills again. Bills going to Kyle. Rookie, nice on the Keon Coleman eye black patch auto to 99. That's solid too. The Bills are hitting there at the end. That'll do it for the break. We'll do our quick little recap too.
Wait, John, who did you split that? What other team did you split? Oh, you didn't split any.
Alright, and our hit recap here. Yep. Alright, for the numbered here first, we'll top up these later before sorting, but we got Wells, McLaughlin, Williams, Hudson, Collins, Amos, Collins, Thibodeau, Taylor, Brooks, Amos, Brock Bowers, Scorton, Manning, Burden, Jerome Ford. We got Curtis Rourke, TJ Watts, Caleb Johnson, Brock Bowers, Jamar Chase, Jalen Milroe, Jaden Higgins to 225. Got the Alec Pierce, Jerry Jeudy, and Caleb Johnson to 225. And then for our other hits here, we got the Parsons to 99, Keon Coleman eye black RPA, Jordan Addison RPA, Josh Allen.
Jordan Addison, RPA, sick.
Yeah, they put like previous year cards in there sometimes as like they did it for contenders too for 2023. We got T-Law, Debo, Riley Leonard, Milroe in the patch, Hampton, Ty Felton, Jalen Royals, Pittman, Sawyer, Felton, Phil Maffa, Leggett, Chase Brown, Sweat, Josh Jacobs, Williams, Judkins, Marv to 35, McCord, Travis Hunter, Burrow, got the Swinson, and then there was the animation, Marv, nice case hit there. We had the Jason Witten 101 patch auto from Immaculate, that's sweet. There's the Milroe year 1 auto, red ink. And if that wasn't enough Milroe, we got a booklet too, out of 49. That one's sweet, on card too, nice patch. That'll do it for the break. Appreciate everyone that hopped in. We'll see you guys for the next one.